I have your attention, please? 15014
Today
Ranikhet
I want
Express.
to speak about the topic which is privatization of the Indian Railways. Recently, we have seen that our government is making a move of introducing new private trains. For example, we had seen earlier that Tejas trains was introduced, and we have also seen that many passenger trains, around 150 passenger trains, has been introduced into the system. Now, the common man is worried that what can be the outcomes of this in the near future. So, first of all, let us talk about that what can be the pros in this topic. The pros can be that the efficiency of the whole system can be improved. For example, by the introduction of the private trains, we are seeing that the trains are getting delayed less. Earlier, the trains used to get delayed by even 24 hours, so that was a huge problem for the common people. So, this problem will be resolved greatly. The next important thing is that the cleanliness of the platforms and the trains. We are seeing that proper cleaning is not taking place. So, by the introduction of the private people, the tenders will be allotted, and I believe that all this thing will be done very efficiently. So, this matter will be resolved. The third, we have seen that the railway charges are increasing day by day. We are seeing that the charges of the first class tickets are at par with the prices of the aeroplanes. So this burden cannot be borne by the common people. Now the government is forced to introduce new price hike because they are not having the budget to run all these trains. So there is a requirement of around 20,000 trains, but we are seeing that only 13,000 trains are being running. So the Make in India initiative can also be promoted with this process. So these were all the pros which we saw. Now what is the con? What is affecting the common people? The problem is that the people are a bit skeptical about the introduction of the private players because they know that the prices will be too high, because we are seeing that the Tejas trains which are being introduced are running on the dynamic pricing system, because if less people are traveling, they are charging high. Okay, so there are many troubles. Also, we don't know that what will be the profit sharing among the companies. So if they try to dominate, the prices will be unnecessarily high, so that can create a class divide as well. But if we see the aspect of the private players, they are welcoming this move because already some private players like Tata's, Adani, etc. have more than 150 kilometer of the railway tracks in their own premises. Now, why is that? Because the railway tracks are used for bringing the raw materials and sending the finished products. So already they are using these maneuvers. So they are more than ready to help the government and provide the extra capital, and the government is now planning to move on to a more of a management role and monetary as compared to the working aspect. And also, since we are living in a democracy, we can anytime we can protest and get our issues resolved. So I believe that this will turn out well. Now, what are your comments on this topic? Please write your precious comments. Thank you.